Hello dear traders, you're watching the latest financial calendar with me, Anna Kasatkina. At the end of the current week, the following macroeconomic events will attract the market attention. On Thursday, the September data on IFO business climate will be revealed in Germany. A decline to 107.8 is expected. In August, the German business sentiment index rose to 108.3 from 108 before. The data was provided by the German Institute for Economic Research. Analysts predicted a fall to 107.6. Bundesbank anticipates stable economic growth in the country by the end of the year. In particular, a rise in domestic demand amid record low unemployment and credit rates can offset a slowdown in GDP growth rates of China, Germany's third largest trading partner. It underpins optimism of German businessmen who may still worry about economic growth. Besides, on Thursday, the United States will publish its August statistics on durable goods orders. Economists forecast a drop of 2% in regard to the previous month. In July, this indicator grew for the second consecutive month, and it points to increasing optimism among enterprises. New durable goods orders, including goods with a lifespan of no less than 3 years, like fridges or jets, rose by seasonally adjusted 2% compared to the June score. Experts anticipated a tumble of 0.4%. In June, month growth made up 4.1%. Data on durable goods is changeable and prone to sharp fluctuations. Improvement in processing sector was jerky as the strong greenback decreased competitiveness of goods made in the US. Growth in business investments in new cars, electronics and other goods led to the July increase. It reflects a rising optimism regarding economy. On Friday, the US will release its final data on economic growth for the second quarter of this year. Markets expect the same reading. The US economic growth rates accelerated in the second quarter after a relatively weak beginning of the year. The preceding report showed seasonally adjusted growth of 3.7% on a quarterly basis. Meanwhile, the GDP statistics for the first quarter was revised upwards to the 0.6% growth against the 0.2% drop reported earlier. In annual terms, the US economy rose by 2.7%, thus slowing down in comparison with the 2.9% increase logged a quarter earlier. Moreover, the following data will be published at the end of the week. On Thursday, New Zealand will unveil its trade balance report and the US will disclose its unemployment claims statistics. On Friday, Janet Yellen will deliver a speech. Japan will report on its consumer price index. The University of Michigan will provide the data on consumer sentiment in the US. And this concludes the calendar of the latest financial events prepared for you by Insta TV team. Thank you and goodbye.